Today in this for loop, I mean the previous exercise you have seen the output like this. I mean, let's assume that you want to print out like this. I mean, if you want the output to be like this, that's a clear reason for that. Say you want the output like this. I mean, not just that, you want a space as well after the comma. So how are we going to achieve this? I mean, you can see in this case, Python whenever there's an output, Python always has a new line. So to solve this, to make the output like this is a command one going to execute. Simply have to say print I and then a comma, say end, and like this. Now it's going to print like this. Yeah. Now we want to make it a little bit fancier. So how we're going to do that? It's quite easy. Just press plus, and another thing to assure here, if the I value is printed as an integer, it must be turned into a string first. Let's say I str, because we're going to include a string values in here. I. It's going to convert this I value, cast its I value to a string, then print it I, and say plus a space, no, a comma first, a comma, then a space. Now it's going to work like a charm. Yeah, but there is another issue. Can say in the end the 10th value also has a comma. We don't want that. So how we're going to check it? Let's think. If so, we have to check whether when it comes to the last value. So at the last value, we have to remove this comma. We have to make sure we can't print a comma. So let's say if how we're going to distinguish the last value. I mean, in the range values we set I as 11. So let's, I mean, I assume can say I 11 is, I mean, if it's equal to 11, you could simply break from the loop. So when you're using break statement, the loop will going to end there, but it is not going to as the bidding. Let's make a little bit adjustment there. Else let's print this statement here, and we don't want this here. Yeah, let's see whether it works. No, it didn't work because we didn't put end here. I have to put the end again here. It's work, but still the comma is there. Say 10, still works. So it didn't work exactly as we thought. The main reason behind this is a string value. This is not a string value. And in this case, there is no concatenation. So I don't think this step is necessary here. So let's remove it and then try it again. Yeah, it worked. So remember folks, when the last value 11 is given, the first one is inclusive, which means this value will be taken, but the last value won't be taken because it's exclusive. Okay, now you can print. Let's say I want to print between 50 to 69. 69 to print these values. I mean, 69 will be exclusive, so we have to the last index as 70 to make it sure to print 69, and it's going to print until 69. We have to change this F to for the last value we want to be printed. It's going to print 69 and no comma. Simple way to do that. I mean, if you have any questions, please make sure to comment down below, and thank you for watching.